Hi everyone, my name is Jefferson and I'll be guiding you through this series of video tutorials on Java. If you're interested in learning the Java programming language and if you're interested in becoming a professional programmer, then this video series is for you. The Java programming language is actually the most popular programming language because it is a general purpose computer programming language designed to produce programs that will run on any computer system. As you can see over here in this Google search result on what is Java, one very good reason for learning the Java programming language is that it is the most popular programming language in the world. Let's take a look at the Google search for the most popular programming language in the world. You can see that Java number one in the 10 most popular programming languages that are listed here. So there's no doubt about that. Also, you can take a look at the TOB index, which is a site that is used in ranking the most popular programming languages every year and every month. And you can see in their ranking, we have Java as the number one programming language. It was number one in January 2016 and is also number one in January 2017 with the ratings of 17.278% of all the programming languages in the world. So Java is no doubt very popular and it has always stayed that way, as you can see from this history graph of popularity. The blue lines here is the Java programming language, and although at some certain points it has been overtaken by the C programming language, which is on the black line, Java has always stayed the most popular programming language for most of the time. So that is the reason why Java is very popular, and that's why a lot of people are writing programs in Java, and it's a good idea to also learn the Java programming language. Now the next thing I would like to show you is more information on the Java programming language, which you can find from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. In the Wikipedia article on the Java programming language, you can see here that first of all, it's important for you to note that Java is not to be confused with JavaScript. JavaScript is actually a completely different programming language that's completely unrelated with Java, and it's always quite annoying when people talk about what relationship does Java and JavaScript has, or what's the difference between Java and JavaScript. They are actually just not the same programming language. They are two different stuff. However, let's get back to Java. So you can see here that Java is a general purpose computer programming language that is concurrent, class-based, object-oriented, and specifically designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. It is intended to let application developers write once, run anywhere, WORA, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. Java applications are typically compiled to bytecode that can run on any Java virtual machine regardless of the computer architecture. As of 2016, Java is one of the most popular programming languages in use. So, you can go through all this stuff, and especially the history. You can see here that Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, which has since been acquired by Oracle Corporation, and it was released in 1995 as a core component of Sun Microsystems' Java platform. The language derives much of its syntax from C and C++, which are two other programming languages, but it has fewer low-level facilities than either of them. So here is the Java logo over here, which is I'm sure a lot of you are very much familiar with that. And you can see here, this is the guy, James Gosling, the creator of Java. And you can see here the rankings of that TOB index, which I showed you guys. You can also read about the principles of Java and the different versions of Java that are listed here. And those are the few information that you can go through if you want to really know much about the Java programming language. But for now, the next thing I would like to show you and explain to you is the Java Platform Standard Edition. In order for us to write Java programs, we need to download and install the JDK, which is usually called the Java Development Kit. I'm going to show you that. Here it is. It's written here. You can go to Oracle's website to download the JDK, and I'll show you how to do that. But for now, the JDK is the component that is based on the Java Platform Standard Edition, and that is what you will need, this Java Platform Standard Edition, in order to write Java programs. You need that installed in your system. Now, there are other Java editions, as you can see from here. There's a list of Java editions that we have. We have Java Card, the micro edition. Is actually for small scale devices like mobile phones, handsets, and PDFs. We have the standard edition, which we're looking at, and we have the Java Enterprise edition. The Java Enterprise edition, which is another important Java edition, is used for web services and enterprise applications, and also web applications in Java. Yeah, of course, you can write Java web applications, which I'm gonna create a video tutorial series just for that. Alright, and finally we have the Javafx, which has been merged to the Java Standard Edition version 8. And also there was this personal Java which has been discontinued. So you can go through this Java Platform Standard Edition, because a lot of all the programs that we are gonna write are gonna be based on the Java Platform Standard Edition. And there are several packages that are involved, but let's not go into all that because you're so eager in learning the Java programming language. So in the next video tutorial, we're gonna go into downloading the Java Development Kit and the installation of the Java Development Kit, which is usually called the JDK for short. So we will go into that, and then from there we can pick up on the Java tutorials on how to write Java programs. So welcome to the Java series of video tutorial once again, and I hope you found this informative, and thanks for viewing.